Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term graveyard poets. Introduction. The graveyard poets, a group of 18th century poets, emerged as a literary movement with a common theme, meditative poems on the subject of human mortality. These poets found inspiration in the setting of graveyards where they contemplated the transient nature of life and the inevitability of death. Their works evoked various emotions ranging from elegiac pensiveness to profound gloom, making significant contributions to English literature and influencing poets both in England and on the continent. Notable graveyard poets. One of the notable graveyard poets was Thomas Parnell, whose Night Piece on Death set the tone for the genre. Parnell's reflective verses invited readers to ponder the brevity of life and the universal human experience of mortality. Edward Young's Night Thoughts further popularized the contemplation of death, offering a lengthy and somber exploration of human experience and the afterlife. Robert Blair's The Grave added to the growing popularity of this poetic movement, delving into the themes of judgment, redemption, and the afterlife. Thomas Gray's enduring influence. However, the pinnacle of graveyard poets' influence came with Thomas Gray's Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard. This timeless masterpiece captured the essence of human life, contemplating the lives of ordinary people buried in a country churchyard. Gray's elegy resonated with readers across generations and became one of the most widely known and appreciated English poems of all time. Spread of influence beyond England. The popularity of graveyard poems extended beyond the borders of England, spreading to continental literature in the latter part of the century. The evocative theme of mortality struck a chord with European poets who, too, contemplated life's fleeting nature and the mysteries of death. Paul von Tiegen's Le Pré-Romantisme explores this influence of the graveyard poetry movement in European literature. In America, the influence of graveyard poets found expression in the work of William Cullen Bryant. His poem Thanatopsis delved into similar themes of mortality, contemplating the interconnectedness of life and death and the consolation found in nature's eternal cycle. Scholarly insights. Amy Louise Reed's work, The Background of Gray's Elegy, provides valuable insights into the context and influence of Thomas Gray's seminal poem. Edith M. Sickles in The Gloomy Egoist further explores the evolution of graveyard poetry and its connection to melancholy verse during the Romantic period. Conclusion. The works of graveyard poets continue to be appreciated for their profound reflections on human condition. These poets not only enriched English literature but also left a lasting legacy in the realm of meditative and contemplative poetry, inspiring subsequent generations of poets to grapple with the eternal questions of life, mortality, and the human experience. So this was the discussion on the term graveyard poets. If you have any questions or doubts, you can write them in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.